Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing our unboxing for the all-new Ninja Creami Deluxe. So you ready? Let's get into this. So a quick look at this box. Looks like Ninja has gone a little bit hardcore, and now they're talking about alcoholic drinks here. So it looks like they want to market this guy to a wider range of people. Here you can see a depiction of the new machine. You can see this machine can handle 5 new outputs, including frozen drinks like that margarita we were talking about, frappuccinos, slushies, frozen yogurt, and even Italian ice. You can see here that the included pints hold 24 ounces now, which is 50% more. But doesn't that mean it's not a pint anymore? Right? Anyway, moving right along. Up here you can see a rendering of the dual drive motors. Right here you see the paddle. And right here you can see a rendering of the whole thing in action. It looks like now you can have different mix-ins for the top half and the bottom half, so that's cool. And onto the back, which is exactly like the front, so we'll keep on moving. And here you can see how the whole thing goes together. You've got your base, your pitcher, creamy pint, the lid for the pitcher, and here's the blade or the paddle. That actually connects into the bottom of the lid, not right onto the shaft like you think it would. That's a cool design, and it's one that they borrowed from the Paco Jet. And down here you can see some more examples of some stuff. In the box you got the motor base, 2 24-ounce pints. I wonder why they didn't come up with a different name for that. That's just weird. You got your outer bowl and lid, that paddle we were talking about, and you're gonna have a recipe inspiration guide which comes with just about every Ninja product. Let's get this open. Okay, all right, open this up. You got registration and contact information over here along with all their social media. That's good. And over here they got a plug for the website and a QR code for the product page. Here we got the quick start guide in case you don't want to go through a full recipe and just want to get to making some ice cream. It's full color and really easy to deal with. But mine's going to end up in a drawer and I'll never see it again. Next you got your owner's guide, which is going to end up in the same place as my quick start guide. And then right here you've got your Creami Deluxe recipe book. These are cool. They're full color, they give you all kinds of instructions and tell you how to use all the functions and give you little recipes and examples with full color illustrations along with all your ingredients and measurements and what to do and everything else. These books are really cool. If you buy Ninja products, never lose these. Okay, looks like this is gonna come out in one fell swoop. Well, I had this standing up, but probably not a good idea. Take the side of this off and see what we got. Here's one of our creamy pints, and yeah, these things are definitely a lot bigger. And the whole design of it is a lot different as well. It's all ribbed around here, which is pretty cool. Feels like the lids snap on a little bit better too. That could be my imagination though. Quick little guide in there telling you how to use the pint. And you can see we got multiple fill lines on this. You got a freezer fill line, you've got a drinkable pour-in line, and a scoopable max fill, so we'll find out about that probably in the review. Looks like we got our other lid here. And everything else is all connected together right now. So we'll go ahead and lift this out. Like so. And then go ahead and take this plastic off. Wow, you know, to me this machine looks a lot nicer. You got some extra instructions here on top, which will probably end up peeling off right away. And we got our pitcher here down underneath. Unlock the lid. And inside the pitcher we have our other creamy pint, along with the blade mechanism. And right here some instructions on how you install that into the bottom of your lid here. So we're just gonna go ahead and zoom through this, since I've done this before. Just go ahead and pop out your blade. Then you pull this lever all the way over, turn this over, and then you just drop the blade right in there, and then let go of that latch. You'll see that this moves around and stuff. That's normal, it's supposed to. And you'll see that it holds in there no problem. All right, let's put this together and make sure this works. You just take your creamy pint, put it down in the pitcher. You'll see that it is keyed here, so it'll fit right into the bottom here. You can't actually put it in the wrong way. Put on the lid, lock it in, slide it into place, and then you just take the entire thing and turn it to the right until it locks, just like that. Now we just gotta plug this in, and we can go through these features really quick if this thing turns on. So you turn it on, and normally you turn it on before you install this thing. I forgot about that, so we'll release that, lock it back in, and then everything turns on. Up top you got the 3 buttons highlighted. That's for if you want to process the top half. If you want to process the bottom half, meaning you've already eaten the top half and this is all that's left in the freezer, or full, which would be doing the whole thing. So we'll go ahead and hit full. You'll see that on its default settings, it's on ice cream, and turning this dial will change it to different stuff. All of this stuff is scoopable stuff. All of this stuff is drinkable stuff. And as we change what's highlighted, you'll see that the amount of time it takes changes automatically as well. So let's say we wanted to do something full and we were going to do regular ice cream. We'd highlight that. It's set for 2 minutes. And then all we would have to do is push the start button and wait. So I'll go ahead and do that so you can see how the blade mechanisms work. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Over the next several days, we're going to run this machine through the ringer and try to get a review out to you next week. We have the original Ninja Creami here in house, so we're expecting this thing to do at least as good a job as that. It'll be kind of nice to test some of these new extra features as well. So stay tuned, it's coming up quick. If you want some more info about the all-new Ninja Creami Deluxe, we do have an Amazon affiliate link down in the description of the video. We do make a small commission if you buy through that link, but it doesn't affect the amount you pay at all. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.